Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can paper trade on your Etoro. If you don't already know, paper trade also means like a demo trading strategy where you can practice all of your quirks, your strategies on the things you're trying to invest on. So to do a paper trade on Etoro, you can simply go on to the virtual option of Etoro that is given to you after you have logged in into your account. First things first, you do have to be logged in into your account. After logging into your account, if you go on to the bottom left side of your screen, you can see a option for switch to virtual. If you simply click on this option and again click on switch to virtual portfolio, you can see that you'll be taken into a different place where now you are able to paper trade all of your coins, all of your stocks, and practice your strategies on trading as well. And this is how you can paper trade on Etoro. This was for this video and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.